Moomoo versus Questrade. Which trading platform is better? So let's compare them. Number one is their features and tools. Moomoo focuses on advanced charts, free level 2 market data, and AI powered trading insights. It's built for traders who need detailed analytics. Questrade, on the other hand, balances between beginners and pros, offering both simple web trading and a professional IQ Edge platform. Number two, the fees and commissions. Moomoo is a commission free for stocks and ETFs in many regions, while Questrade charges $4.95 to $9.95 per trade, but it offers free ETF purchases, which long-term investors appreciates. Number three is their ease of use. Moomoo's interface is modern, but it can feel overwhelming for absolute beginners, while Quest Trade has a cleaner, simpler platform for new investors with plenty of tutorials and support. Number four, their account types. Questrade shines for Canadian investors with registered accounts like TFSA and RRSP, while Moomoo mostly caters to US and Asian markets with limited account variety. Lastly is their mobile and desktop apps. Both of them have strong mobile apps. Moomoo's app is rich in features and gamified, while Quest Trade is simpler but very reliable. So, for final verdict, if you are in Canada and you want long term investment flexibility, Questrade is the best for you. But if you want zero commission trading with advanced tools, Moomoo is the better choice. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.